Good evening children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain you the key for 16/6 dated assignment. Are you all ready children? Are you all ready to do the assignment? Yes. Morning you had the session of the imaginary lines. Ma'am would have taught you. Yes? You liked everybody? Yes. You will enjoy the lesson children. You will know many new facts about our time zone and all those things. Ready? Now we are going to solve the assignment. Question number 1. Okay children? Question number 1. What is the, okay, listen carefully, what is the miniature? What is miniature children? Small, okay, smaller in size, okay, miniature model of the earth, our earth, okay, earth known as, what it is called children? Now by this time you would have answered everything, I am sure. Yes, the miniature model of our earth is globe. Globe. Clear children? Yes, everybody? Yes, okay. We'll move on to the next question. Question number 2. A bit bigger question, but the answer is very simple children in this assignment. Though the questions are big, the answers are very simple and you can think an answer. Okay? What would you, okay, what would you use to, okay, what would you use to show the, what would you use to show the state in which is our state? You all know very well, no children? State in which you live in. How you will show? In which you live in. In globe, we can show the state? No children, it's hard. So, using which one we are going to show? A map or a globe? So, you all will know very clearly. Yes, no children? With the globe, we can't locate our state. So, the answer is very simple answer. I told you, though the question is big, answer is only map. How would you show your state? Through your map. Answer, a map. Clear children? Everybody? Okay. We'll move on to the next question. Yes children, be ready. Question number 3. This is a little bigger question. Okay children, you would have seen Mojo, right, in your textbook. You all by this time would have got your textbook in your hand. No children, most of you. Mojo is a new friend of us in our textbook. Okay, Mojo is riding his bicycle. Okay children, he is riding his bicycle. Okay, that he is riding his bicycle to his friend's house. Where he is going? We all go now. During quarantine, we are not going. But usually, we go to our friend's house, right? Friend's house. What he is doing? He wants to know. What he wants to know? He wants to know the direction. You all know? North, south, east, west. That. He wants to know which direction. Okay? Direction in which, okay children, he is moving. In which direction he is moving. Okay? What instrument he will use? That is the question to you. What instrument? Okay? What instrument? That is the thing which is used to find the direction. Direction. Okay? Should he use? Answer is very simple children. Though the question is so big, you should understand to find the direction which is used children. Compass. What is that? compass. Compass. The picture of the compass is in your textbook. You just see once, okay? You'll get excited. The very beautiful picture of a compass is there. Compass. Compass. Okay, children? Here, we move on to the question number 4. Ready? Only the questions are bigger, children. Answers are very simple. Question number 4. Ready? Which of these, okay, is, okay, which of these is always, okay, made for the entire earth? If we want to consider the entire earth, means children, will a map will help us? No. It is only a part of the earth or entire earth on a flat surface. We can't cover the whole earth. So exact model of the earth is, they have asked a question like this, globe or map. Your answer now is, answer. Which is the exact model of the earth, children? Globe. Globe. Here you can draw in the, okay, the answer you can draw one globe. It is simple to draw a globe, no children? Yes. Like this. Here we have all the continents and countries. Yes, my children? Nice? Yes, globe. You all like globe? Yes. Last question, children. So the answer is only globe and image of the globe. Question number 5. The last and the final question. It is going to be very interesting for you. Question number 5. A riddle to be solved by you. A small riddle. I used to be on paper. Okay, children? This is the first clue for you. I used to be on paper. Now, you, okay, get me on. Now, you get me on your phone. Always you are using phone nowadays, right? Now, you get me on phone. Okay? I can help you. Okay, I can help you find the root. Now you would have got the answer. I think so. Root. So you didn't get lost. You don't get lost. So you don't get lost. Okay, children? And grown. So you don't get lost and grown. So this shows that you won't get lost. We won't be lost. Okay, children? We will know the root. Who am I? Who am I? Yes, children, guess. This is a riddle for you. By this time you would have guessed. Answer is Dora. Map. Yes, the answer is map. That's it. We completed this assignment very nicely. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.